Hey there! Happy you're part of the fun today. In this behind the scenes look, 32 minus 32, which equals 0, times 32 minus 32 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 32 times 32 equals 1024. So we have 32 minus 1024 minus 32, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 32 minus 1024, which equals minus 992. So we have minus 992 minus 32, which equals minus 1024. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more updates.